Next we will discuss about surface development of an hexagonal prism. Okay, hexagonal prism. Okay, a hexagonal prism of 25 mm dia lies in the horizontal plane with an axis of 60 mm. One corner edge is near to vertical plane. One corner edge is near to vertical plane. That prism cut by an auxiliary inclined plane at 20 mm height of axis. Okay, cut by 20 mm height of axis from the base. An auxiliary inclined plane inclined to 60 degrees to the horizontal plane. Okay, inclined to 60 to the horizontal plane. Draw the unfolded surface of hexagonal prism. Okay, draw the unfolded surface of hexagonal prism of cutting object. Okay, cutting object. Okay, next, this is a simple projection of a hexagonal prism. Okay, this is a simple projection of hexagonal prism when two corners. Okay, two corners, one corner edge is near to vertical plane. Okay, this is vertical plane, this is horizontal plane. Okay, one corner edge is near to vertical plane means the object, the prism looks like this. Okay, the prism view looks like this. One corner edge is near to vertical plane, the hexagonal corner edge is near to vertical planes. Okay, you have to draw this way, you have to draw this way. And next, this is a simple top view projection. The next, this is simple front view projection. Here we have a dash b dash projection. The next, here we have c dash f dash projection. Here we have d dash e dash projection, d dash e dash projection. The next, on the topmost side, 1 dash 2 dash projections. And the next, here we have 3 dash 6 dash projection. Here we have 4 dash 5 dash projection. Okay, this is the axis. Okay, join this opposite corners. Okay, join the opposite corners, you will get axis in hexagonal prism. Join the opposite axis, opposite corner edges. Okay, join the opposite corners, then you will get center point of hexagonal prism. Okay, this is center question, this is the center point or o dash. Okay, this is the o dash. Okay, the next, the from this axis, an auxiliary inclined plane cuts this prism at 20 mm height of axis. Okay, 20 mm height of axis, 20 mm height. Measure the 20 mm distance, measure the 20 mm distance. Okay, next, with 60 degrees angle. Okay, with 60 degrees angle to horizontal plane. Okay, with 60 degrees angle to horizontal plane. Okay, draw, make 60 degrees angle. The next, joint this projection. Okay, join this projection, join this AIP, auxiliary inclined plane. Okay, auxiliary inclined plane, this is AIP, this is 20 mm, height is 20 mm. The next angle is 60 degrees, angle is 60 degrees. Okay, this, the object cuts here. Okay, this is C1 dash and C2 dash. Here we have C or F. Okay, here this cutting edge is C3 dash and C6 dash. Okay, finally this is C4 dash, C4 dash and C5 dash. Okay, these are the 6 cutting edges. Okay, observe carefully, the object is cut by this inner edge point. Okay, inner edge. Okay, below inner edge. Okay, this is C1 C2. Okay, next, project these lines to bottom. Okay, project this line to bottom before unfolding. Okay, before unfolding. Okay, project these lines. Okay, this is a projection. Okay, this is your projection. Okay, next, you have to, this is C1 edge. Okay, this is C1 edge. Okay, this is C1 edge. Let's point it, capital A. Okay, let's point it capital A. Why? Because the auxiliary inclined plane cut this object at inner point of this A dash B dash edge. Okay, bottom A dash B dash edge. Okay, this is capital A. Okay, capital A at C1. Okay, the next, here we have capital B. Okay, let this capital B, it's C2 cutting object. Okay, it's C2 object. Okay, you have to find out this unfolding length. Okay, when you see from the top view, okay, when you see from the front view, you have to find out this unfolding width. Okay, unfolding width from A to F6 and the next B to C. Okay, this is axis. Okay, this is axis. Okay, measure this distance. Okay, measure this distance. Okay, when you unfolding, this is the original distance. Okay, this is the original cutting edge of F2A capital A and the next C2 capital B. Okay, C2 capital B. Okay, the next you have to draw projection lines. Okay, this is C1 dash C2 dash projection. Okay, the line is there. Okay, the next one you have to draw C3 C6 projection. Okay, you have to draw C3 C6 projection. Okay, this is C3 C6 projection. The next finally this is C4 dash C5 dash projection. This is C4 dash C5 dash projection. Okay, and this bottom line and this baseline we have C1 dash C2 dash projection also. Okay, the next you have to draw unfold. Okay, you have to unfold this object. Okay, you have to unfold this object. Okay, at any point. Okay, any point you desire, you have to unfold at any point you deserve. Okay, the next I am unfolding this point A. Okay, I am unfolding this object from point A. When I am unfolding, when you unfolding at a point, does this edge or these edges has 4 corners. Okay, this edge has 4 corners. Okay, when you unfolding this object. Okay, when you unfold this object, measure this distance. Okay, measure this distance. A to F distance is this axis to cutting edge. Okay, from A to F6 distance. Okay, this is point this a capital A. Okay, this is capital A. I am unfolding from capital A. Okay, next joint this. Okay, join this. Okay, and the next one you have to unfold from F to E. Okay, F to E. Okay, F to E and E to D. These 3 edges. Okay, these 3 edges are same. Okay, these 3 edges are same. Okay, 1 to F to E, E to D, D to C. Okay, D to C. Okay, next F to E, the next E to D, the next D to C. Okay, this is D to C. Okay, and the next one you have to unfold B to A. Okay, you have to unfold B to A. Okay, measure capital A to capital B distance. Okay, this is capital A to F, small f, and the next F to small e, and the next E to D, E to small e, and the next D to E, D to C, D to C, the next finally C to B distance. Okay, C to B distance the same. Okay, this is C to B distance. Okay, this is C to B distance. Okay, C to B distance. Okay, C to B distance. This is C to B. Okay, the next this is point you have to join the same way A to F distance. Okay, A to F distance. Okay, this is A to F distance. Okay, this is capital A. Okay, this point is capital A. Okay, A to F distance, and finally B to A. Okay, capital B to capital A. Finally capital B to capital A. Okay, okay, this is C to capital B, the next capital B to capital A. Okay, this is A. Okay, this is capital A. Okay, here we have A to F distance, A to F, and finally F to E as same 25, E to D same 25, next D to C same 25, but C to B here not. Okay, this distance. Okay, you have to measure this distance C to E. Okay, when you have to unfold. Okay, when you have to unfold this object, you have to measure this distance. Okay, A to F and F to E, and the next E to D, F to E, and D to E to D, and the next D to C, C to B, and finally B2 capital A, okay, B2 capital A, okay. The next, draw the projections, okay, draw the projection lines, okay, draw the projection lines. Okay, draw the projection lines. Okay, the next you have to find out intersection points, okay, you have to find out intersection point. This is A, okay, here we have C1, okay, this is C1. The next you have F, okay, this is C6, okay, this is C6. And the next finally this is E, this is E, okay, here we have C5, okay, this is C5, cutting edge 5. The next we have D, okay, and also D, here we have C4. The next finally is C, okay, this is C, okay, here we have C, this is C3, okay. The next finally B, C2 edge, okay, this is C2H, C2H, okay. The next from B to A, from B to A, this is C1, okay, this is C1, that means cutting edge, almost the bottom edge, okay, almost the bottom edge, okay. Join these all points, okay, join this all points, okay, C1 to C6, the next C6 to C5, the next finally C5 to C4, C5 to C4, the next finally C4 to C3, okay, the next finally C3 to C4, and the next C3 to CA, okay. Why? Because the edge is on bottom side, okay, there is no height, there is no height in, there is no height in this capital B to capital A, okay, there is no height, these are the bottom edges, okay. The object cut by at this bottom edge, okay, the object, the axillary inclined plane cut this object at bottom side, okay. That's why we don't have any height from B to A, I don't have any height from B to A, okay. Join these edges, okay, joint these edges, joint these edges, joint these edges, okay. This is unfolded surface of unfolded surface of hexagonal prism, okay, hexagonal prism. When the prism cuts by an auxiliary inclined plane with 60 degrees angle at 20 mm height, okay, at 20 mm height, the axis height is 60 mm, okay, the axis height is 60 mm, okay. This is the process to draw, this is the process to draw unfolded surface of prisms, okay, unfolded surface prism. And next class we will discuss about pyramids, okay. Thank you.